good morning. A beautiful day yesterday, but somewhat brisk. Today, it looks like it'll be a little warmer. Temperatures start off in the upper range of the 40s, 48 officially at the airport. That's cooler than yesterday morning. 26 up at Big Bear. Hello. Break out the thermals and the long johns there. 46 degrees Morongo Valley, 46 in Banning, and the same in Beaumont. Today, warmer than yesterday, 73. We're all the way up to 79 with lots of sunshine on the Lifestyle Day Planning forecast. High pressure remains in play for us, and this is keeping really any substantial weather from moving in from the north. So the next couple of days looking pretty bland, but nice. 82 tomorrow, still sunny and warm. We start picking up a few clouds as this ridge of high pressure starts breaking down a little bit and flattens out. We'll see partly cloudy skies and pretty consistent temperatures, 77 to 78 degrees from Thursday through Sunday. I think we'll stay dry during that stretch with overnight lows in the 50s, then a little bit cooler on Monday. That's a look at your weather. I'm meteorologist Mike Chilinas.